Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili, full guide. Open two 15 Oz cans of diced tomatoes and one 15 Oz can of beans, drain the beans and set aside. Brown 1 lb ground beef in a skillet over medium heat, breaking it into bite-sized pieces. Add a chopped onion and 2 minced garlic cloves. Cook until soft, then drain excess fat and return to pan for seasoning. Combine spices and liquids carefully to build layers of flavor and balance. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons chili powder, 1 tsp cumin, 1 tsp smoked paprika, and a pinch of salt and pepper into the brown meat and aromatics. Pour in 1 cup beef or vegetable broth and stir to deglaze the pan, scraping up brown bits. Add the drained beans and tomatoes, bring to a simmer, and cook gently for 20 to 30 minutes to meld flavors. If you are enjoying this guide, please hit subscribe and like. It helps the channel grow and brings more helpful recipes to you. Quick recommendation. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep your feet happy while you simmer a pot of chili. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a spoon, and now let's get back to the video. Keep tasting as the chili simmers and make small adjustments for a balanced bowl. If it tastes flat, add 1 tablespoon vinegar or a squeeze of lime juice to brighten acidity. Increase heat with crushed red pepper or a dash of hot sauce, and add a teaspoon of sugar if it feels too acidic. Finish with chopped cilantro or green onion and let the chili rest 5 minutes before serving for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.